Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Word. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace designed for notes, tasks, and databases, offering a unique block-based editor for flexible content. In contrast, Microsoft Word is a dedicated word processing application, excelling in advanced formatting and document layout. While Notion provides a dynamic environment for organizing information, Word focuses on creating polished, professional documents. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to choosing the right tool for your needs. Notion truly shines as a flexible workspace, perfect for project management and building comprehensive knowledge bases. It seamlessly integrates databases, wikis, and task lists, allowing users to customize their workspaces extensively with hundreds of templates. Its robust collaboration features enable real-time editing and commenting, making it an excellent choice for teams. This all-in-one approach helps streamline workflows and keep all your information connected in one central hub. Microsoft Word remains the industry standard for professional document creation, offering robust tools for complex formatting, citations, and mail merge. It provides extensive grammar and spell-checking capabilities, ensuring your documents are polished and error-free. Its widespread adoption ensures excellent compatibility across various platforms and with millions of users worldwide. For crafting reports, academic papers, or any document requiring precise layout and presentation, Word offers unparalleled control and reliability. To decide which is better, consider your primary needs. Choose Notion if you require an all-in-one workspace for project management, flexible organization, and structured data. Opt for Word when your focus is on professional document writing, reports, and traditional publishing, where precise formatting is paramount. Both tools offer unique benefits. Notion excels in dynamic information management, while Word is unmatched for linear, polished document creation. Your specific use case will guide your best choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.